Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are unboxing my new printer. Ta-da! So yes, my new baby is an HP SmartTank 515 wireless all-in-one printer. Yes, it's smart, not globe, not dito, but smart. Wale. Anyway siya, this is a long overdue unboxing kasi December 1 ko pa to nabili sa Abenson and na-busy ang lola nyo kaya ngayon lang natin i-unbox kasi worried na ako baka may sira or damage or something. And kaya, yun. I'm so happy with this printer. So before that, let's unbox it first. So inside it, we have free inks. Yun. Apat na inks, and then of course the attachments and yung print head, which is pinakabit na namin doon sa store mismo kasi takot akong magkabit nun. And what's good about this printer is that it's wireless through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, guys. So you can print directly from your phone through wireless connection or Wi-Fi. Isn't that great? So, yan, the usual, may manual siya, and yun. And, yung free inks niya, ang sabi dito, it can print up to 8,000 colored pages or 6,000 black pages. So, dun palang ROI ka na, guys. So, yan. So, of course, isasaksak mo siya para sa kuryente. Pero, other than that, it can operate wirelessly. Hindi mo na siya need i-connect sa device mo, sa computer or sa laptop mo or sa cellphone. And yeah, so for pag saksak mong ganyan, una, aantayin mo siya, maglo-load siya, manghihingi siya, may prompt doon, manghihingi siya ng ink. So yon, pag lumabas yung icon na hindi kasi kita dito, so if you feel mo, what's good about the inks, guy, is that it's spill-free. They have a spill-free refill system. Kita mo naman, oh. Isasaksak mo lang siya, and you don't even need to squeeze the bottle. Kusa siyang tatagas. Kita mo. Isn't that great? And what's good about the ink tanks is may automatic ink sensor siya. So, pag kailangan mo nang mag-refill ng ink, magpa-prompt siya. So, that's another cool feature, diba? And transparent din yung tanks niya, as you can see. So, mamomonitor mo yung ink levels kung malapit ka na dapat mag-refill. So, at least you'd be prepared. Diba? And then, ano pa? So, functions. It can print, it can scan, it can copy. It's an all-in-one printer. And, again, it can print directly from your phone or your laptop using Wi-Fi connection. So, it's wireless. And yun talaga yung selling point dito sa printer na to. So, bumili ako ng printer kasi naman, guys, mula nung nauso ang digital era, wala na tayong mga hindi na uso yung printing. So, pag yung mga bata merong assignment sa school, like magdala ng picture nyo sa baptism, ganun. Kakaloka, wala akong ganung picture, guys. So, kailangan ko pang mag-print, diba? Kakaloka. For sure, hindi lang ako yung ganun. Kayo rin, diba? Pustahan tayo. Wala kayong puro nasa hard drive lang yung mga pictures nyo dyan. So, start printing it na, guys, bago pa masira yung mga hard drive. Ito, yung sabi ko, yung print head. Pinakabit ko na dun sa store kasi takot akong gumawa. Pero easy lang naman siya ikabit. Meron namang directions and merong mga signs. So, yan. For the first time na nagagamitin mo yung printer, after mo mag-fill ng inks, tas i-close yan, may prompt din, mag-a-add siya ng paper. So, pag nilagyan mo siya ng paper, magpiprint siya ng something ganito. Hindi ko alam anong tawag. Basta, yun ang ipiprint niya. Yan. And mabilis lang naman siyang mag-print, as you can see. Tapos, very vivid yung printing niya, clear. And tinry ko din yung copy feature niya. So, sinerox ko, kinapi ko yan. And tingnan natin kung clear din ba yung print from a copy. So there, you'd be the judge. Tingnan nyo, side by side. Ay, baliktad. Yun. So, eto naman, para makaprint ka wirelessly, you need to download the app. It's 123.hp.com. Same lang sa computer and sa cellphone. And this one I'm showing you sa phone ko. So, you just go to the Play Store para i-download ang app. And sundan nyo lang yung mga directions. Madali lang naman and very self-explanatory. You don't need to be a genius para mag-install ng app. And once na-install nyo, yan. Sundan nyo lang yung steps. And you need to create an HP account para ma-access nyo. Kasi tinry ko kung hindi mag-create. Ayaw niya. Dapat talaga mag-create kayo. Madali lang naman. So, just do it. And after that, everything would be a breeze. So, same lang din yung procedure sa laptop. Hindi nyo din siyang i-install yung app para makapag-print kayo wirelessly. Tapos each time magpiprint kayo from either devices, madali na lang, automatic magko-connect siya sa Wi-Fi. Siguraduhin mo lang naka-on yung button sa printer na Wi-Fi icon. Tapos you're good to go. So, ito yung mga pwede mong gawin. You can print photos, camera scan, printer scan, print documents, copy, and all those stuff. So, ito yung sabi ko na kailangan mong mag-create ng account para you can start printing wirelessly. So, yun. Create ka lang. In my case, kasi may account na ako. So, nag-sign in na lang ako. And madali lang namang mag-create ng account. Kasi madali lang. Follow mo lang yung mga prompts. So, all these steps sa initial installation mo lang to kailangan gawin, guys. Hindi mo to kailangan gawin each time na i-access mo yung printer. So, umpisa lang talaga. So, yun. Alright, yan. Try nating mag-print. So, click mo lang print photo. Tapos, it will bring you to your gallery. Pili ka lang ng picture kung anong picture ipiprint mo. Super easy lang. Tapos, pag sa phone ka kasi, hindi mo ma-select. Walang option to select anong size. Kung 4R ba, 3R or whatnot. So, what's good about this printer is automatic niyang, it's smart. It will detect the size of the paper na i-feed mo. And, yun din yung output na print na ilalabas niya. I'll show you in a moment. So, see, may A4. Ano pa yan? May 5R, 4R. So, yun. So, try muna natin yung full paper, yung A4. So, yan, make sure yung blue na yan is nandun sa edge ng paper. Kasi yun yung magde-detect ng size ng paper feed mo. Para yun din yung output na size ng print na ilalabas niya. So, yan. Click mo lang. Next, tapos yung print sign and magpiprint na siya. As you can see. Mabilis na siya mag-print. Tada! Iba kasi pag sa computer kasi 'di ba, maseselect mo anong size and ilang print sa isang bond tape, isang paper. So like say if A4 yan, select mo na 4R, so 4 siya na ipiprint niya sa isang A4. Pag sa phone kasi direct ka nagpiprint, ewan ko, maybe I just need exploring, but so far wala akong nakitang option na to select a size. So, the only option is use the smart feature ng printer. So, kung anong i-adjust mo yung size ng paper na i-feed mo. Tapos, so automatic, yun din yung size na ipiprint niya. I'll show you in a moment. Kasi ito yung A4 size pa lang tong piniprint niya. And this is just regular bond paper, but as you can see in the output, in a moment it's very vivid. See? Nice yung photo printing quality niya. I'll also show you later ano yung printing output niya in an actual photo paper. This is what I'm telling you. Say, I want to print a 4R print. So, adjust ko lang yung paper to 4R size. So, there. See, may mga sizes. So, doon mo itatapat yung blue kanina dun sa paper feed. Yan, sinukat kong 4R. Tinupi ko yung bond paper na yan para maging 4R ang size. There. Adjust mo ngayon yung blue. Make sure na yung edge niya is nandun sa edge ng paper mo. Para i-detect ng printer yung size ng paper feed mo, automatic niya i-adjust yung print. So, same procedure lang ulit. Access mo yung gallery mo and piliin mo yung photo na ipiprint mo. Tapos, click mo lang yung print ulit and it will start printing. And ifa-follow niya yung paper feed size na nilagay mo. And actually, yung paper tray, sabi dito, the paper tray capacity is 30 pieces daw, sabi sa spec. So, pwede kang mag-print at iwan mo lang and balikan after kasi marami yung 30 pieces yung capacity ng paper tray. So, that's very convenient, right? And now, let's see the results. See? Kita mo yung size, automatic niyang in-adjust, diba? And that's really cool, right? So, what are you waiting for? This is a very affordable printer and super ROI ka talaga sa quality ng prints plus the quantity ng mapiprint niya dun pa lang sa free inks na kasali dun sa actual package, diba? Here's a sample of how it would print on an actual photo paper. I'm using a glossy paper in 180 GSM and yan ang output niya. Kita nyo naman, very good quality, very vivid, right? I highly recommend this printer, guys. It's reasonably priced, yet you get more than what you're paying for actually. So grab yours now. Not sponsored, but come on, start printing those photos na, guys. And yeah, that's all. Bye!